Hello everyone, welcome you all again to start a new another topic from your syllabus. In last video we have already discussed this topic from data handling using pandas 2. We have discussed this descriptive statistics. Now we are going to discuss this topic, handling missing values, dropping and filling missing values. Okay, so this topic we are going to discuss now. So for this topic I have prepared one video, some programs for you, so that programs you can practice at home. Okay, so these are the programs I have prepared for you. Handling missing values, for handling missing values. So directly I'm going to show you practically these programs, so how to execute and what about the missing values. So you have to know all this. So these programs I'm going to do in Jupyter Notebook, and here see these are the programs. So here in the first program, see one dictionary, one data frame it is going to display. Here this is wire 2015 quarter 1 these values are there, quarter 2 this value, quarter 3 this value. So like this 2017 2016, and after that dicel one dictionary we are creating from this 2015, and inner dictionary and outer dictionary. This is the outer dictionary you can say. So dicel, we are creating this dictionary from these dictionaries. Okay, in 2015 we are taking this wire 2015 as value, in 2016 as key here in dicel, and 2016 as value, wire 2016 as value. So like this we have created this dicel one another dictionary from these dictionaries. After that we are creating one data frame. So these records are displaying like this. Okay, so here this outer dictionary keys are 2015 2016 2017 are coming as field name, clear, as column name, clear, and inner dictionary keys are coming as index. Already you know, if you are going to use multiple dictionaries for create data frame, so you will get like this, and these values are coming. Okay, now see in 2015, in 2015 quarter 1 quarter 2 quarter 3 quarter 4, so these values are coming like this. In 2016 also these values are coming, 2017 these values are coming. In 2015 a b c q1 q2 q3 q4 is not there, which are there in 2016 and 2017. Is clear? Wire 2015 there is no a b c q1 q2 q3 q4, that is why these values are coming nan, nan. So these are you can say as missing value, clear. And in 2016 see a b c nan, in 2016 see a b and c key is not there. Here is q1 q2 q3 q4 only, and there is no quarter 1 quarter 2 quarter 3 quarter 4 also. So that is why quarter 1 quarter 2 quarter 3 quarter 4 there is nan. Those value which are there in this dictionary, in the inner dictionary, only these values are coming, and others are coming as nan value. These are known as missing value, clear. In year 2017, in year 2017 there is C A B C is there, no q1 q2 q3 and q quarter 1 quarter 2 quarter 3 also. So that is why in 2017 say A B C is coming, these values are coming, and these values, these quarters and q1 q2 q3's values are not there. That is why it is coming nan. This is known as missing value. So how to handle this missing value, how to drop these missing values, how to fill up these missing values, so about this we are going to show you in the next programs. So in the next program I'm going to show you this program, see dropping msb1. So practically you can serially you can see at home all these programs by running these programs in your system. So if you want to run this program suppose in your python 3.7, so what to do, you just copy this code and paste in python 3.7, it will run. But pandas should be installed in your system, then only it will work. Okay, so now see in this dictionary, so this dictionary is created here. So in this dictionary see these values are coming like this. We have not done any operations here, any dropping or filling not done we have here. We have just one dictionary created and just displayed this dictionary here like this. See this dictionary is coming. This first score, second score are coming as the field name or column name, because after that see these values are coming in first score 190 nan np.nan function you are calling here, and 95. So that is why it is coming 100, 90, nan and 95. Then for second score 30 np 30 nan 45 56. So for the second score here, this is second score 30 nan 45 56. So you know already that when you are going to display a dictionary, automatically by default it will take an order that which field has to come first and which field has to come later. In data frame you can serially, suppose in which field you want to display first, you can do that. So you have already done that. So now see, like this, these missing values are coming. Okay, now see, I'm going to run the next program. Here see, we are deleting, we are using the delete function by, see, this is drop now function from the data frame. This data frame we have created, this is the same program what we have done in MSB1. This is dropping MSB1. Here the same program is there, just we are deleting one line where NA and values are there. See 1.1, this 3, 95, 65, 56 and 98 is coming, row number 3, index number 3. Here see, what about the index number 3? See, index number 3, 95, 65, 56 and 98. Here in 2 NaN is there, here in 1 NaN is there, here is 0 NaN is there. That means in each row NaN value is there, but in the row, that means index 3, there is no NaN value, only this row is coming, others have deleted. Clear? Clear? Okay, this is okay. Done. Now go to the next example. This one is done, this is 2, and here see, this data frame is created, this data frame is created from this dictionary, and this data frame if you are going to display, so like this it has come. A row index 0, this NaN is there, index 1, this NaNs are there, index 2, this NaN is there, 3 NaN is there. So what we are going to do here, dropping rows if all values in the row are missing. That means if all value are missing, that means in index 1 all values are, see, all values are empty, that means NaN. Okay, this row will delete. For that what to do? Okay, for that what to do, I'm going to show you here in MSB 2.2. See, the same program it has done here. So we are deleting df drop na how is equal all. So this syntax you have to follow, this line you have to write, then it will delete where all values are NaN. In row 1 all values were NA1, that is why that row has deleted. Clear? Done. Now go to the next example. 2 has done. Now go to 3. Okay, this one. What we are going to do? Drop columns with at least one null value. Okay, so in the previous example we have done drop rows, and here we are going to do drop columns. Okay, where at least one NaN value, that that column we have to delete. So in this dictionary, in this data frame, so this is there. So here we are going to delete drop columns where at least one NaN value. In this column also NaN value is there. In this column also NaN value is there. In this column also NaN value is there. But in this column there is no NaN value. Okay. So now here see, drop na axis equal to 1. So here all records have been deleted from the data frame except where no NaN value is present in a particular field, in a particular column in the data frame. So here see, this the fourth score all values are there, no missing value. See, in the fourth score, this is fourth score, all values are there, no missing value. But for others at least one NaN value is there. That is why all these records have been deleted except this fourth score. Clear? Okay, done. Now go to the next one. Dropping MSB. Okay, now dropping have finished here. So I'm going to show you filling. So how to fill up. This is MSB1, how to fill up. Filling null values with a single value. So here see, these records are there. these records are there. So here we are filling df.fillna 0. So this was null value in 2 row number 2 column is first core. First core, this is first core 2, this is 2 0 1 2. This in 2 position there is no value nn. See, this nn is there, that means missing value. So what we are doing, df.pd data frame dictionary we are creating, df.fillna. Here you have to write fillna, there you have written dropna. Here we are writing fillna f 0, fillna 0. That means in place of this nan we are placing this 0. Clear? And one more nan, see, in the second score the last value, second score the last value, here also we are placing 0. In a third score the first value is nn, that is also placing 0. Like this we can fill. Clear? Now again another example. So here we are reading filling values with the previous ones. So what we are doing here, see, for the first score values are there previous ones. Okay, for the first score, see, 190 nn value is there and 95 for the first score, 190 90. Okay, and the next one, second score 56, then 56. Okay, but for this one there is nn. Okay, so what it is doing here, see, if any nan value is there in a column, then it will take the previous value. That means here 90 is there, so in this field also it will take 90, and here is 56, and here also it will take 56, and there is no previous value, so it will automatically by default nan. So this method is this. So for this what we are writing, df.fillna method pad, you have to write pad. So then see, here what it will happen, see, previous value it will add. Okay, here see, for the first score 190 nan 95, that means it will come 190 90 95, 190 90 95. Clear? For second score 30 45 56 nan, then it will come 30 45 56 56, 30 45 56 56. Okay, and here see, no previous value, that means why, that is why it is coming nan 40 80 98. Clear? Okay, done. Now go to another example. Here what we are doing, filling null values with the next ones. So what it is doing, it will take the next value, and in the previous one you have done the previous value. Okay, here see 190 nan 95, so here in this place it will not take 90, it will take this 95. That means next ones. And in the previous example what we have done, previous one, that means this value it has taken, and in this example next one, for the previous one you have written here paid, and here you are writing b fill, that means next value it will take. So here see 190 then 95 95, 190 95 95. Clear? And for second score 30 45 56, then there is no value after this nan, that is why this is nan coming. And here in third score nan 40, so here it will take 40 40 80 98, 40 40 80 98. Clear? So like this we can fill missing values or delete missing values from data frame. So till now we have finished this topic also, and here we have left this importing and exporting data between MySQL and pandas. So in the next example I am going to show you that video, and here in this video here we have finished, and for other videos all the links are there in my YouTube videos description section, so you can directly access from there. Okay, thank you, bye bye.